You ever had any gussied up nuts? That sun is brutal. All right, my son knows the way to my heart. He brought me to a Mexican food restaurant.
Thanks for coming. The PJ of America does a lot for veterans, which is great, and seeing these guys that, you know, did the hardest job imaginable.
Yeah, honey, I'm the bogey biker, and you know I'm here to stay.
Well, howdy folks, welcome back. I am outside of Gatesville, Texas. Sorry for the road noise. I'm headed down to see my son, who's not going to be able to make it home for Thanksgiving. So I'm going to go see him. We're going to get down there, go have a nice dinner, hang out, and get up bright and early and head back home. It's a couple hours. It's not far from where we were, the Twisted Sisters. Not too far, down there in the Texas Hill Country. So I'm gonna take a little solo trip and see my son, who is actually officially graduating from college here in a couple of weeks. But he's already got his first job as an assistant golf professional at a really nice country club down here. I think all of you would agree that really your only dream is that your kids are better than you. And that's certainly the case for me. My son is more driven than me. He's more mature than me at that age. He knew exactly what he wanted and he went after it, and I couldn't be more proud. So he's just turned into a fantastic young man. So I'm excited to see him. But the weather, it's a little blustery. The wind is blowing 30 miles an hour. So it's been blowing me all over the road as I headed down. But you ever had any gussied up nuts?
It's not a tumor. It's not a tumor.
Yeah, me either. Chocolate covered almond. Well, my main goal today is to get down there before dark. We are in the heart of the rut. Deer season around here, and I don't want to be on the road after daylight. After sundown, I guess. Man, this road is loud. All right, let's see what we can get into. back on the road.
Here you coming.
What's up? Yeah. Good.
Thanks for coming.
Fun ride.
Yeah, it's dropped probably 20 degrees since you phone.
Yeah. All right, my son knows the way to my heart. He brought me to a Mexican food restaurant. Say hi, Jackson.
Hey everybody.
So we're gonna enjoy a nice little dinner here and go walking around downtown. He's gonna show me the sights, but it's a good ride down here. Glad to be here and glad to be with my favorite son. Okay, well, it's the next morning. We had a great supper last night and got to walk through the town a little bit. I think I said earlier that my son's not going to make it home for Thanksgiving, so I wanted to ride down and see him before that. And a couple weeks, you're graduating from college.
Yep, 2 weeks.
Yeah,
So
he's going to officially graduate from college. But I wanted to I think based on the analytics of the channel, most people are men closer to my age than his age. But if you got kids, you know, teenagers growing up that are interested in golf, I wanted him to tell you about the program through the university that he did, because had I known something was like that available when I was your age, it would have been a dream to do what he did. So tell them what that is.
yeah, so I went to school at Sam Houston State, which is in Huntsville, East Texas, and the program I was in, it was the PGA Golf Management Program, and it's through the College of Business, so I'll graduate with a business administration degree, but my concentration is in golf management, which it's kind of, you know, I didn't really know about it till probably my senior year of high school, and it's really just it's the business of golf. It's being a golf pro. Now I'm done with school. I've got my first full-time job. I'm a golf pro at a club down in the hill country in Texas, and it's really cool. You go on internships. I was able to do 4 internships all across the country. Something he was real excited about, as was I, getting to see new places and travel, and most people don't get 16 months of internship in 4 years of school. So I was very, very fortunate to see the world and see lots of cool places outside of the small town I grew up in, which I love. But it was good to kind of spread my wings a little bit and get a great experience. The golf business is great. Tons of jobs. The program is 100% job placement, so it's, I know I have lots of buddies in different fields that are finishing school and they're stressing about where they're going to work or if they're going to have a job. But it's 100% job placement, and it's something that I'm really excited about.
What is, if a kid's going to search, because he did this all on his own. I didn't even know about this. He found this. What if you go to Google? What do you Google to? Yeah,
I mean, it's funny. It was one Google search is the reason I did all this. I was sitting on the couch in our house, probably I guess 5-6 years ago now, and I just Googled because I really got into playing golf and playing on the high school team and working in the cart barn in high school, and I just Googled how do you work in golf, because I didn't know what a golf pro was or a PGA club pro, and I found the Sam Houston program, but there's I think 14 or 17 something around there programs across the country that have these programs, and it's what's cool about it is you're able to get a degree along with the golf certification stuff, and so if it's really just a Google search away. The PGA of America, which difference in them and the PGA Tour, the PGA of America is 30,000 members. It's teaching pros, club pros, reps for manufacturers like Titleist and TaylorMade. So many different avenues you can do, but it's a membership you gain, and so if you go to the PGA of America's website, they have a whole thing on PGA programs and how to take that route. But I definitely recommend it for people who want to be in that line of work. I mean, I graduated with a guy I'm about to graduate with a guy who's in his, older guy. I say older, in his mid 30s, late 30s, and he served in the military and came back and did it. So it's cool. I think the PGA of America does a lot for veterans, which is great, and seeing these guys that did the hardest job imaginable and now are getting to be golf pros, and I get to do that too, and it's something that I'm very, very lucky and fortunate to have found. So it's really cool. Again, if your kids have any questions about it, or you have any questions about it, I would definitely something to look into if you like golf.
Yeah. See why I'm so proud of him? He's down here exceeding and excelling. If I was that mature when I was your age, I'd probably be retired by now. So
I don't know about that, but
no. I was going to leave early this morning, but it was in the 30s, so we let it warm up a little bit, and I'm about to hit the road. But I just wanted to have him go over that a little bit, just in case any of you out there have kids that are looking to do something similar. It's been a great thing, and doing what you love is the most important thing, and he's doing it. So
yeah, it's very, very fortunate to have good people to look up to, and how to be successful and work hard, because it's just like any other business. You just gotta work hard and want to be there, and if you do that, it's been great, and I've had lots of good people to guide me down that direction. So we're pretty lucky.
yeah, I did too. Yeah. All right. Well. But I'll text you when I'm ready. Okay. Love you too. that was a pretty great 24 hours. Great to see my son. He's doing so great. Like I said, couldn't be more proud. And perfect weather. And this will be after Thanksgiving when you see it, but my daughter is coming in for Thanksgiving, so get to see her later today, hopefully. Appreciate y'all watching. Hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. We'll see you next time.
Good to see you.
Right.
Yeah, honey, I'm the bogey biker, and you know I'm here to stay.